A multiple indicator cluster survey by the Ghana Statistical Service (GSS) conducted in 2017 to 2018 revealed that about 34% of sources used for the production of sachet water are contaminated with fecal matter. Officials are intensifying the alert after data from the 2021 Population and Housing Census on the water, sanitation and hygiene sector revealed that 37.4% of households in Ghana depend on sachet water as the main source of drinking. The revelation, according to experts, poses a public health danger, and there was a need for the Food and Drugs Authority to embark on thorough scrutiny of outlets engaged in the production of sachet water. Speaking on the Eyewitness News, the Director of Field Operations at the Ghana Statistical Service, Dr. Peter Techipepra, says the revelation has been misconstrued.
Assuming you tested
100 sachet of water, 100 bags.
About 10 different households. We carried out tests at different places, different households, nationwide, okay? And the quantity or the different number of sachet water we picked, we didn't have any company associated with whatever we picked. Out of the tests we did, that percentage, that's about 21% had that fecal contamination.
According to the Food and Drugs Authority, only about 5% of the produced sachet water could be contaminated. It urged the public to purchase only registered sachet and bottled water on the market. Maria Abba Lovelace Johnson is the Director of Inspectorate at the Food and Drugs Authority.
Processes you have put in place, there is still water out there, sachet water that is, which is contaminated?
There is a possibility because they may not be registered by the Food and Drugs Authority.
You are saying then that every water that has been registered by the Food and Drugs Authority, which is packaged in a sachet and sold wherever in Ghana, should not and does not have contaminants?
To a large extent.
How large is this extent? What percentage are we working with?
95% confidence.
So,
let's give it 5% margin of error.
So there's a possibility that 5% of the sachet
margin
water...
of error, that one is because, well, this is
That's a very huge margin of error, isn't it?
Sorry?
That's a very huge margin of error, 5%.
I'm just giving give and take, really. Give and take 5%. Normally.
In a related development, the president of the National Association of Sachet and Packaged Water Producers, Magnus Nunu, has assured the public of the association's resolve to maintain high-quality products on a regular basis.
Unless those that are not registered with the FDA, there's a possibility that some who are not, if you don't have the FDA mark, then there's a possibility of, but then if you have the FDA mark, and that name must be protected, and you must go to the mill, and then do regular checks. Some of us, I know, will do at least monthly, microbial test. If you go to water research, you get it. Even some big ones have their own labs, and they do what we call P&A test, presence or absence test. Before you go and find out which pathogens are there, there is something like a litmus something you can put through it, and you can do that regularly, and then whether you know, we call it P&A test.